And then if you don't flip it over, you just rake it all over the egg. That's blindfold, okay? Like when your egg in the skillet, you'll do like this here. Okay. But see, by this is already a non-stick skillet. I'm gonna start getting the other soft coat. When I bite down with my egg and stuff, bite in the egg. And since it's a non-stick skillet, we're gonna use that non-stick spatula over there, okay? Here, you break the yolk. You want it soft, or you want it hard?
Oh, hard. That kosher salt spreads out, breaks up.
No, it's just to stay hard in one place. I ain't put that much on there. Now see, blindfold you do like that, okay? But this skillet here sticking too, see it? It ain't supposed to stick.
Don't the handle still get hard?
Not this handle. This is a scan pan. Salvation Army. Okay?
Okay.
Sometimes you can just take it and flip it over. See how it done stuck. Watch this. Start. You gotta let the skillet and oil get hot enough, but I didn't want my alarm to go off. That's when you take that smoke, it's gonna be more oil on there than you want on there. Cause I do it in butter sometimes, or margarine. Just put it on a paper towel. And then you get the oil, if you don't want all that oil. See, sometimes I can flip it over without all this crust, without all that getting on there, see? And see, if you want, what I meant by soft over, you leave that in there, see? Kind of yellow. So if you want it, if you still want it all the yolk cooked, just do like this here, and then flip it over. Again, if you want. Or just let it keep on cooking it, and it'll cook. Okay, where the rest of your food at? Cause this is ready. See it?
Ooh.
Now see, I can put mine on. I could have put mine on in there with you, but I was trying to show you how to do it.